Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are going to be looking at question 21 in the 2015 grades 5 to 6 Math Kangaroo question paper. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Square paper sheets of two sizes are needed for an art project. How many of the smaller sheets are needed to cover one of the larger sheets? If it is known that the perimeter of one of the larger sheets is 8 times as great as the perimeter of one of the smaller sheets. Now, this type of problem doesn't have an exact math method to solve it, but it involves basic principles of geometry, like finding the perimeter. So, now let's get right into it. Let's denote the side of the smaller square. So first I'll draw the smaller square and the bigger square. Let's denote the side of the smaller square sheet as S and the side length of the larger square sheet as X. The perimeter of to find the perimeter of a square sheet, you do 4 times side length, or 4 times S equals P. Therefore, the perimeter of the smaller sheet is 4S. To find this, it would be 4S. And the perimeter of the larger sheet is 4X. Now, given that the perimeter of the larger sheet is 8 times the perimeter of the smaller sheet, we can express this relationship as 4x equal to 8 times 4s, which is 4x is equal to 32s. Now, let's express s in terms of s. So this would mean that x would be equal to 8s. So we'd need 8 of our smaller squares on these side lengths. And if we have 8 over here, and then that would mean we'd need 8 over here, 8 over here, and 8 over here. And we could simply use the area formula to find out how to solve this. So to find the area, you do 8 times 8, which is equal to 64. So you would need 64 smaller sheets to fit into the bigger sheet, making A the answer. Thank you for listening.